the fear of darkness, or nyctophobia, is rooted in the unknown and the loss of control that comes with it. Darkness can obscure our surroundings, triggering a primal instinct to be cautious and alert. So how I overcome it? By exposing myself gradually to dimly lit environments for short periods of time and practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing exercises and progressive muscle relaxation, and replacing my thoughts with more rational and realistic perspectives such as darkness is just absence of light and it can't harm me. Next is acrophobia. It is a mental health condition in which the individual experiences an intense fear of heights. And when they think of tall or heights that are positioned at a significant height, so how I overcome it now? By engaging or exposing myself through higher environments and thought that I successfully confronting and overcoming heights, being calm, confident, and in control while in high places. So lastly is the fear of being left behind or abandonment. Touches on our innate need for connection and security, and the anxiety that arises when we feel disconnected or isolated from others. I overcome it by building my self-esteem and self-worth, recognizing my strengths, accomplishments, and positive qualities, because building a strong sense of self can help reduce dependence on others for validation and reassurance, and also communicating openly and honestly with loved ones about fears and insecurities, because expressing feelings can strengthen the relationship and provide the support needed to address this fear of abandonment. So for those who are still struggling to overcome their phobias, remember that progress takes time and patience. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a victory in itself. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Instead, use them as opportunities to learn and grow stronger. You are not alone in your journey, and there is support available to help you navigate through your fears. Keep moving forward, one step at a time, and believe in your ability to overcome. You've got this.